Queen of the 4th of July. Everyone is honored to be here to see this wonderful.
I wave hello to all my bees. Now we wait.
How do you see? I can't. Like, once it's in video mode, can you zoom out?
No.
Oh, it's hard. Go stay there. We go far away. We're waiting for a car to come back. So where did you find this wonderful appeal?
I found it. It's Jasmine stuff. I look very queen-like.
Yes, you do.
I'm Bridget the Third. Come from a royal family.
There are no cars. We're gonna stay out here until a car comes so you can wave at them.
I salute you. Oh, look, there's a kid.
Where?
I hope he comes down here.
You should wave to him.
Hi, kid. Kid. Hi. Oh, look, here comes a car.
Oh, here comes a car.
Oh, look, here comes another car.
Here, go back, go down a little bit so I can see like your. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Let's go to your side of the street.
Okay, we're crossing the street now.
This is correct. I bet Rebecca's there.
Huh?
Because I found her.